Alright, so just got the roof rack installed, and I also just posted a video probably right before this one, not too long, about the water tank install, but now we're mounting the Maxtrax MK2 traction boards with the Prinsu mounts onto the Prinsu Pro roof rack. So it's a really nice design. The hardware just simply drops in here, slide it in. Then you have your bracket, washers, and locking nuts. And then you just slide it in, do the same thing to the other side, and tighten them down. Should be a really, really simple install. I just started out by snugging them up to where I could still adjust them, and then I centered them and just kind of laid this in front of it so I could kind of get an idea of where they needed to be spaced. Then I took the traction boards, threw them on to make sure, and then took them back off, tighten them down, so now it should be centered and the spacing is correct. So now, give me a second so I can put these on. I can't do it one-handed, so there they are. And then my tent will actually come to this bar right here, or like slightly behind it. So I kind of wanted to try and make a ramp out of it so it's not like the wind is just hitting a dead wall. So there it is, and now we'll get the rooftop tent mounted up. But as far as locking them down, you can get little locks, but these just simply turn outwards and lock them in place. So now they aren't going anywhere. And then there you can see the pass-through for the lock. And I bought these all individually. I think I picked these up on Amazon, I can't remember correctly, because a lot of places were sold out of the 14 millimeter, which is the length of the stud on the bottom. You can get them with longer studs as well. The brackets, I think I ordered straight from Prinsu, if I remember correctly. And then obviously the traction boards are from Maxtrax. So really nice, really easy to install. And stay tuned for more videos, and I'll have the rooftop tent video coming soon.